This is a quick little video on steam cleaning tile and grout for commercial restroom floors. And this is for the Buffalo, New York market, Buffalo Metro, and commercial buildings in all of the Erie County area. And most flooring in commercial restrooms is either ceramic, porcelain, or quarry tile, and it has a cement-based grout. And what that means practically is the grout is very porous, which allows soils and dirt to be absorbed easily. And what happens is it becomes susceptible to permanent staining. But in restrooms, even a bigger problem is this is what allows odors to persist. Even though they are being cleaned and disinfected every night, odors can still be persistent because soil is being absorbed into these tiny little grout lines. So our solution is to steam clean the tile and grout, and then we can seal the grout, and that will prevent soils from being absorbed in the future, and that will help out with odor problems a lot. And my name is Shane Dubell, and our company is Method Clean Solutions. We service the Buffalo, New York metro area in commercial carpet, tile, and furniture cleaning. You could reach us on our website at methodclean.com.